Have you ever considered that some common items in your home might be subtly damaging your health? Everyday objects that you use routinely could be harboring hidden toxins and germs. In this video, we will reveal 12 household items that could pose health risks if not handled with caution. You might consider your home a safe space, but without realizing it, you could be surrounded by substances that pose serious health risks, including cancer, hormone disruption, and respiratory problems. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden dangers that are closer than you think, transforming the way you view your everyday household items. First up, air fresheners. While air fresheners may seem like a simple solution for keeping your home fragrant, many contain harmful phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors that can linger in the air by binding to dust particles. Regular use of such products significantly increases indoor levels of phthalates, a troubling discovery. Research has shown that people who frequently use air fresheners and scented cleaning products have higher concentrations of phthalates in their urine. Exposure to these chemicals is associated with various health issues, including fertility problems, developmental delays in children, asthma, diabetes, and even breast cancer. Instead of relying on air fresheners, consider natural alternatives to maintain fresh air in your home. Opening windows and ventilating rooms effectively disperse stale air, while houseplants like orchids, aloe vera, and English ivy can help purify the air naturally. Additionally, regular cleaning practices such as vacuuming, dusting, and using eco-friendly products like vinegar and baking soda can effectively neutralize odors at their source without introducing harmful chemicals into your environment. Next is dry cleaning chemicals. Dry cleaned clothes, while convenient for maintaining your formal wear, conceal significant health risks. The process involves harsh solvents such as perchloroethylene, PERC, a recognized carcinogen. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration warns that continuous exposure to PERC, whether through skin contact or inhalation, can elevate the risk of developing certain types of cancer, including esophageal, uterine, and bladder cancer. Exposure to PERC can also cause symptoms such as dizziness, throat irritation, memory loss, and skin rashes. During the dry cleaning process, clothes are often encased in plastic before they're completely dry, trapping harmful fumes. When you open your closet, these toxic vapors are released. Additionally, benzene, another solvent used in dry cleaning, is a volatile organic compound also linked to cancer. To minimize exposure, remove the plastic cover and let your clothes air out for several hours before storing them away from heat and sunlight, which can intensify the vapors. Moving on to another everyday item, thermal receipts, which you likely carry in your wallet or purse. Despite appearing harmless, these receipts are coated with chemicals such as BPA, bisphenol A, that react to heat to create print without ink. BPA is an endocrine disruptor known to significantly reduce male sex hormones like testosterone, potentially leading to erectile dysfunction and reduced libido. In women, BPA exposure has been linked to early puberty and birth defects, as well as increasing the risk of uterine and breast cancer, diabetes, obesity, and eczema. Handling these receipts with lotion-coated hands can lead to BPA absorption at dangerously high levels, nearly 80 times above the safe limit, as studies have shown. To protect yourself, handle receipts sparingly and wear gloves if your job requires frequent contact with thermal paper, avoiding storing them in places where they can be easily touched like wallets or purses. Scented candles. Scented candles may seem like a harmless addition to your home decor, providing a cozy glow and pleasant aromas. However, the delightful scents come with hidden risks. Many of these candles contain chemicals such as limonene and phthalates. Limonene is responsible for the citrusy fragrance found in various scented products, but once airborne, it can transform into formaldehyde, a well-known carcinogen. The International Agency for Research on Cancer has highlighted that formaldehyde exposure can lead to severe health issues, including inflammatory reactions, liver toxicity, as well as lung and breast cancer, and it may negatively affect pregnant women and fetuses. Phthalates, another common component in scented candles, help prolong the aroma, but are also endocrine disruptors. Excessive exposure to phthalates can cause hormonal imbalances and increase the risk of liver cancer.
Additionally, these chemicals have been linked to impaired brain development and more severe behavioral disorders like ADHD in children. It's particularly risky to burn candles indoors or in bedrooms, as they can elevate carbon monoxide levels, causing symptoms like dizziness, headaches, and nausea. To maintain a healthy indoor environment, use scented products minimally and ensure your home is well ventilated. Instead of using candles to combat odors, open windows to allow fresh air to circulate and avoid keeping candles in sleeping areas.
Humidifiers. Many people use humidifiers during dry winter months to add moisture to their home's air, which seems like a beneficial and harmless practice. However, there's more to be cautious about with these devices. Recent studies on the bacterial content in humidifier water tanks have shown that both purified and tap water can harbor similar levels of microbes after just 12 hours, despite initial assumptions that chlorine in tap water would inhibit bacterial growth. This research highlights a crucial issue. Humidifiers, by design, promote bacterial growth due to prolonged water storage. Dangerous pathogens such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Legionella, and Streptococcus pneumoniae can flourish in neglected humidifier tanks, potentially leading to serious health issues like pneumonia, respiratory diseases, and sepsis. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to maintain your humidifier meticulously. Ensure that you clean the water reservoir thoroughly every 3 to 4 days, preventing harmful bacteria accumulation. Additionally, always leave the humidifier open and dry when not in use to further reduce any risk of bacterial growth. Next up is shampoo and dandruff treatments. While dandruff shampoos are a popular choice for combating flaky scalp issues, they come with their own set of risks. Many of these products contain methylchloroisothiazolinone, a chemical that is suspected to be a mutagen, potentially causing DNA alterations that could lead to cancer. Moreover, the production process for some shampoos may introduce a carcinogenic byproduct known as dioxane. With numerous alternatives available, it is crucial to carefully read product labels and be informed about the ingredients in your personal care items. This awareness can help you avoid exposure to harmful chemicals and protect your health. Commercial cleaning products. While many households stock a variety of commercial cleaning products to maintain a germ-free environment, research suggests that these products might do more harm than good. Some cleaning agents can exacerbate respiratory issues, particularly in individuals with asthma or similar conditions. Additionally, numerous commercial cleaners contain chemicals that act as hormone disruptors, potentially throwing off the body's hormonal balance and causing a range of health issues. Fortunately, there are safer and more environmentally friendly alternatives available, such as vinegar and baking soda. These natural options can effectively disinfect your home without the adverse side effects associated with harsh chemicals. Next time you clean, consider switching to these natural cleaning methods for a healthier home. Moving on to plastic food containers. While they are popular for storing leftovers and transporting meals, they are not as harmless as they may seem. Even BPA-free plastics can release estrogen-like chemicals. According to a study by the Endocrine Society, these chemicals can activate genes that lead to breast cancer tumor growth when combined with common food preservatives like propylparaben. Moreover, harmful additives such as phthalates and bisphenols found in plastics are not stable. They can migrate into the food and beverages they come into contact with. Heating food in plastic containers can speed up this chemical leaching process. Consuming these chemicals over time can lead to significant levels accumulating in the body, disrupting normal hormone functions. For your safety, minimize the use of plastic containers. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like glass or stainless steel. Avoid microwaving food in plastic and keep these containers away from fatty or acidic foods. By being more aware and adopting safer practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of exposure to these harmful chemicals in your home. Turning our attention to cookware, non-stick pans present a hidden danger. While these pans are popular for their convenience, their non-stick coating can degrade over time, releasing harmful fumes. The primary substance of concern here is PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid, classified as a likely carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. When these pans are overheated, the non-stick surface can break down, releasing particles that can be ingested with food. PFOA is chemically stable, meaning once it enters the body, it can remain there for years. This substance has been found in the blood of nearly every American tested. Research has linked high levels of PFOA to an increased risk of cholesterol problems, thyroid disorders, and delayed puberty, as well as birth defects and cancer in laboratory animals. To minimize these risks, it is advisable to replace old, chipped, or peeling non-stick pans. Use ceramic or stainless steel cookware instead, and go easy on non-stick surfaces. Don't use high heat, metal utensils that can scratch, or harsh scouring pads for cleaning antibacterial soaps. While you may believe that antibacterial soaps are more effective at keeping you healthy, recent research suggests they might actually do more harm than good. The active ingredient in many of these soaps, triclosan, has been associated with disrupted thyroid hormones, increased antibiotic resistance, and weakened immune function. Furthermore, triclosan can react with chlorine in tap water to produce chloroform gas, a harmful disinfection byproduct that has been linked to depression, liver issues, and even cancer. Due to these risks, the FDA banned triclosan and 18 other chemicals from soaps in 2016, after manufacturers failed to prove their safety and effectiveness. To ensure your safety, review the ingredients list on your soap and avoid products containing triclosan. Regular soap and water are effective at eliminating germs when used properly. For those seeking an antibacterial option, consider soaps with benzoic acid, which is known to have a safer profile. Toothpaste is an essential part of our daily oral hygiene, yet many people are unaware of the potentially harmful chemicals it can contain. Saccharin, a common artificial sweetener found in many toothpastes, has been labeled a possible human carcinogen. Additionally, excessive fluoride usage is associated with a variety of health issues, from dental cavities to more severe systemic damage. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives to conventional toothpaste that can effectively maintain oral health without these risks. For instance, coconut oil has been demonstrated to possess antimicrobial properties that combat harmful bacteria in the mouth. Opting for healthier toothpaste alternatives can help you avoid the potential health risks associated with synthetic ingredients commonly found in traditional toothpaste. Next up, mothballs. Mothballs might seem like a simple fix for keeping moths away from your clothes, but the health risks they pose should not be underestimated. The primary chemical in most mothballs, naphthalene, is highly toxic and can severely damage your liver and kidneys. It can also cause hemolytic anemia, a serious condition where red blood cells are destroyed, leading to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Additionally, naphthalene has been classified as a possible human carcinogen based on animal studies. Given these risks, it is wise to consider natural alternatives for protecting your garments, such as using natural moth repellents to avoid the potential health hazards associated with traditional mothballs. Review your everyday products and replace any that raise concerns. Exercise caution when handling plastics and receipts. Ensure your living spaces are well ventilated and embrace more eco-friendly cleaning and personal care practices. Protect your well-being by fostering a safer and healthier home environment. If this video opened your eyes, please share it with everyone you love. Drop a comment below with any everyday products that concern you. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving content.